There. In this video we are going to talk about PHP and why you should learn PHP. So first of all, what is PHP? PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor and it is a server scripting language. So there are two types of language. One is the client side language and another one is a server side language. So PHP is the server side language and it is mainly used for creating dynamic web pages. So what does it mean by dynamic? Dynamic means the content you can change by your own and you don't need to change it statically. So what static and dynamic you will learn in the later phase, but yeah, dynamic means it can constantly change the data. So for PHP, file extension is .php. So that's what PHP is. We are not going to deep dive into the history because it's not necessary, but you can check it on the internet. You will find the history of the PHP. So some famous example of PHP, which is WordPress, Magento, Drupal and Joomla, all these are CMS. CMS means content management system. You can manage your content by your own. WordPress is mainly used for blogging. Magento is for online e-commerce site. Drupal and Joomla, again, it's mainly used for blogging. What you need to learn before PHP? Some HTML and basic CSS you need to have knowledge of. Now why you should learn PHP? So the main reason you should learn PHP is for this CMS, but I am going to focus on the WordPress, which holds most number of sites on the internet, which is around 24-25%. So the out of 124 sites will be WordPress on the internet. I already have WordPress playlist on my YouTube channel, so it should be easy to learn WordPress after you learn PHP. So yeah, let's see. In the next video I'll start actual PHP. Thanks for watching the video.